In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use DocuSign for your documents. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open a document that's waiting for your signature, review it, complete every required field, and finish the signing process confidently. Start by going to the DocuSign website or opening the mobile app and signing in. Once you're on the home screen, look for the section labeled Needs to Sign. This is your queue of documents that require your attention. Click Needs to Sign to open the list, then select the specific document you want to complete. When the document opens, you'll usually see a prompt to continue. Click Continue to acknowledge electronic signing and begin. This step ensures you're ready to review and interact with the document securely. DocuSign highlights exactly where you need to take action. Click each highlighted area to complete it. If the tag says Sign, you'll add your signature. If it says Initial, you'll add your initials. The first time you sign, DocuSign may ask you to adopt a signature style. You can type your name, draw it, or use a saved signature. Take a moment to make sure your name appears as you want it to on the final document. Dates often autofill, but if a date field is highlighted, click it to confirm or enter the correct date. Work your way through every highlighted tag from start to finish. You can use the on-screen guidance or navigation buttons to jump to the next required field. If a field is optional, DocuSign will usually mark it as such, but required fields must be completed before you can finish. As you review, scroll through the entire document so you understand what you're agreeing to. If something looks off, pause and get clarification before you proceed. Once all required tags are completed and you're satisfied with your review, click Finish. You'll typically find this button at the top or bottom of the screen. After you finish, DocuSign confirms your submission and routes the document to the next party automatically, if applicable. A copy is usually emailed to you, and you can also download it from your DocuSign account for your records. To recap the flow, open DocuSign, choose Needs to Sign, click Continue, complete the highlighted sign and initial tags, and then select Finish. That's all it takes to sign a document you've received. Take your time, watch for the highlights, and you'll be done in minutes.